Hello everybody, as promised with Jane, we will do a little demo on how to darken a uniform background. So here we have sandpaper, charcoal and paper towel. So press the paper towel and apply it with a little bit of pressure. And you will see how much you need to put, because if you apply it, or if you put too much pressure, it will go very dark very quickly. And if you put middle or not too much, middle, you know what I mean, not too much pressure, then you will not have as dark as you would like it to be. But if I want it very, very dark, look, there you are. So why do I need that? There's no need for that. Unless you're working on unless your figure drawing or the object that you're drawing have a black or a very dark dark background, but not background, a dark, let's say, when you have objects, you will have a little bit of a drapery, a very dark drapery. So if you don't have a dark drapery, why would you darken the background as much? Now here, so this is one way. The other way, which we have done it and we've explained it many, many times, that will be again grinding charcoal on sandpaper and applying it with a brush. Well, let's apply it here, which is a little bit lighter. So here, that's another way of darkening the uniform background. Okay, there we are. But as you see, it's not as effective as using the paper towel. You can still do it. Let's say like the ballerina we had this week, the background on the right, let's say you might use it a little bit, make it a little bit darker than the background on the left. So here we have a uniformed background going back and forth, and then softening now our next, let me see the camera, is it picking up? Yes, it is picking it up. Okay, now the next thing we'll do next time, let's do that ballerina figure here, which we have the head, we have the hands. Was the hand that way? Yes, was that hand. We have the body, tutu, legs, and her feet, which are beautifully turned slightly towards the left. Then we have the head, that's a mono zero rubber. Then you have the hands, and the other hand was going that way. So I'll do something like that. We'll do a dark figure, a dark background, and we'll draw the figure on the top, and then we'll highlight it with a putty rubber. I'll put that on our drawing list, and we're going to do that. Here you are. Okay, now, as I said, you can have the darker background on the right with the brush, so you can use the brush for specific part of the background, and you can use the chamois or the paper towel on the left. Chamois is the best, and Kevin provided us with loads of chamois when we were in the studio. There you are. How about this? Look, you can work perfectly and be guided by the background. And now you can come back with the charcoal, and highlight a few areas here with charcoal. Tutu, thigh, calf, 1 foot, tutu, belly, hip, There. So tips, these are tips. We've done it, but we'll do it again and again and again until it becomes second nature. Yeah. So that's another way of doing a sketch, quick sketch. Well, I will see you on the next one. Good drawing. Bye bye. Good drawing, everyone. Bye bye.